Every minute, thousands of ships cross the Indian Ocean, carrying energy, goods, and the hopes of billions. But beneath these waves move challenges unseen. Piracy, smuggling, illegal fishing, and new threats in the cyber and environmental domain. In a region this vast, awareness isn't optional, it's vital, because the ocean that connects us can test us too. At the Information Fusion Center, Indian Ocean region, information becomes action. Here, shipping industry, international treaty bodies, piracy reporting centers, information fusion centers, fishery bodies, regional operational centers and think tanks share data, build trust and turn awareness into cooperation.
The Indian Ocean connects continents, culture and commerce. At IFC-IOR, our mission is to strengthen maritime awareness through transparency, teamwork and trust. Maritime Information Sharing Workshop brings together participants from IORA, Djibouti Code of Conduct, Jeddah Amendment and BIMSTEC, united by one goal.
With each alert that we share and every incident that we report, we strengthen the collective resolve that keeps our maritime global commons safe and secure.
Our focus is real-time synergy. When regional networks connect, awareness becomes collective.
Every day, we monitor thousands of vessels in the Indian Ocean region. But it is the information from our partners that completes the picture.
In the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, no nation sails alone. Security is a shared horizon and collaboration is our tool.
Every insight exchanged across borders safeguards the flow of trade, energy and the blue economy we all depend upon.
Trade at sea know no borders. Our strength lies not in isolation, but in unity across the Indian Ocean region.
Piracy, drug smuggling, illegal fishing are not just regional issues. They are global challenges that demand coordinated global action.
The Indian Ocean is not just a route, it's a lifeline. Protecting it means protecting billions of lives, livelihoods, and legacies.
Technology can deter threat. Strategy can deter them. But only collaboration can defeat them.
As international liaison officers, we are the bridge between nations. Our dialogue, our trust, our cooperation, these are the anchors of peace in Indian Ocean.
From the Bay of Bengal to the Arabian Sea, our nations are connected by purpose and the information sharing that turns the distance into partnership.
Every vessel, every port, every patrol becomes safer when nations stand together. Maritime security is a collective responsibility.
Together, we are more than allies. We are guardians of a secure, stable and sustainable maritime future.
Maritime security begins with shared awareness, and information sharing is not just a tool, it's an anchor of a collective safety.
30 nations, one mission. MISW2025 is more than a workshop. It's a commitment to safeguard the maritime commons and build a more safe and secure Indian Ocean region.
Maritime Information Sharing Workshop 2025. Stronger together, safer seas.